goodness. Ooh, a DVD VCR combo unit?
Yeah.
Oh, you know my style.
I know what makes Matt Jackson Sansui.
Thank you so much. Now I can watch my Disney tapes.
Dude.
You're gonna give me a DVD VCR combo and I'll give you this all original Bosch generator.
Painted black.
Yeah, paint it black, put it back. Look at that.
Painted black. You got all this for free?
Yep.
Wow. There's some good stuff in here.
Yep. Look, there's Shinola.
You'll see this wheel kind of judder. I could do it right here while I just have the brake on, just release the clutch.
Gary, here comes Doug.
No way.
Yeah, he's been restoring this bus.
It's driving.
Yeah, let's go over there.
And he drove all the way
from Kyle.
From Kyle.
This bus used to be a trailer.
Ta-da!
Did you just drive this from Kyle?
I did. So I hope there's a long distance award today.
There are no awards today.
Damn it!
Wow!
So a little story on this bus. It started life, well, as we found it, as a trailer, and the previous owner kind of converted it. And then you said you were looking for a bus, and I talked to him and got you guys connected, and you bought it.
Yes. So
And
it is all your fault.
You can blame me.
It is finally running, driving, I think actually in good shape.
It got here.
It got here. So
what year is it?
65, sundial camper originally.
Oh, it was a 65.
Yeah, it's got the sundial badging on it.
Yeah.
It was graciously turned into a gutted, complete wonder of a trailer, complete with a front tow hitch of some kind on the front. Previous owner did a bunch of work to strip some of that and bolt some things in. I kind of took it from there.
Is that kind of what's going on here? Is like that's where a tow bar was?
Yeah, so there was a bar across here, and then an A-frame thing, and a hole here for the power wire to go through.
Oh, that's nice.
And then in the rear, there was no transaxle. It was just a straight axle that they'd cut in there.
Yeah, I'll show you the back. Yeah, so when I got it, there was bay window parts all over here. I think this is from a bay. The engine shelves were cut out. There was no brackets for the apron, so you couldn't even put a motor in here.
Right, so it was basically all this was, you added this.
Yeah, you can tell where I
So those panels weren't even in here?
Yeah, from here over
you
to
had
here.
Where did you source those?
Those came from Classic Fab.
Okay, oh, he's got those, huh?
Yeah, he's got those. I didn't put them all the way in, I just cut out what I needed.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I
yeah.
figure when I actually know how to weld, whenever that is, I can just
And then
redo
the horns here for the apron,
yeah, they were
weren't
gone.
there. So you got those from Gerson too?
Yeah, I got those also. The motor is from a place in Denver called Painter's Grinding. They did a great job, turned it around in like 2 weeks. It's a brand new long block.
And what size is it?
1776.
Ah, nice.
Single port with
30 picked one?
Yeah, 30 picked one from Volksbits.
And is that a 205T?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. It's on its third fuel pump. Finally got that figured out, I think.
Good luck. Fuel pumps are just...
Yeah, kind of weird.
They're nightmarish right now.
I had taken this to Tony's house the other day to help out, and on the way back, it started lugging and feeling funny. So I switched out the fuel filter, completely cleaned out the carb, and then I noticed the plugs were really lean. So I went ahead and upjetted the carb, and I think it feels a lot better.
What'd you put in there?
135.
Okay.
Of a professional
Have you checked
opinion.
your fuel pressure too? Just
I think it's good.
Okay.
I can't remember exactly what it was.
Just notorious for so much on.
Yeah, that's why this one seems to work.
Okay.
Like I rebuilt
just throwing so much pressure at them, and they just overpower the little needle valve.
Yeah.
And just gush too much fuel.
Hey, you can get your sticker link below.
Wow, look at these jalousies.
So these are refurbished. This had.
Did you do them?
No, hell no. They were fun to just install.
Yeah, there are a lot of with that back
When
piece.
I got it, it had it had all pop-out windows, but I noticed on the inside where the screw holes were
For the
that it needed
jalousies that
these.
were original.
And it looked like it came with 4, so we did that. It's just got a bay window.
Bay window Z bed.
Yeah, so
And a bay window table.
yeah, right now it's been getting it mechanically
Yeah.
solid.
So what are your plans? What are you gonna do in here? Are you gonna anything else like a jump seat or?
Full cabinet or closet on the way back, and then I want to do the roof with the original type wood. Track down how to make that look nicer, and maybe add a small shelf over there with the headbanger thing over the top of it, and that's probably it. Got the table.
Did you paint this or was this original?
That's like that.
Great shape, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's pretty good. I mean, there's some oddities here and there, but solid bus. It's been a lot of fun. I've learned a lot.
Yes, you have, dude.
So-
I can't believe you got it out here. I'm so happy for you. Oh, you put shoulder belts in like Matt Jackson?
Yeah. So that was his fault also.
Yeah.
After about 6 different tries, I realized I was missing some hardware. Once I got that, they're in. They work really well.
Did you do your seats?
Yeah, I recovered the
those look
seats.
great.
Those look good.
So
Is that Wurzburg West?
yeah, the TMI. or
Yeah, that's
Wolfsburg,
really
something
good
like
stuff,
that.
man.
It's what's supposed to be there, so that's good.
Look at your dash, uncut.
Well, it is cut completely. So if you can see,
Oh, it was cut.
that was completely removed.
The dash wasn't in?
The dash wasn't in
But
there.
you had the dash.
The previous owner put it in, so he did that part of it. The bulkhead is still just bolted in, welded in the floor.
How the,
Okay.
the whole, or just halves?
I cut here and up here. I just did a patch. I didn't do the whole piece.
So just a little background. Doug had never really welded before this.
Yeah, this was the first
And
time.
you had a lot, I remember on the forums you were asking a lot of questions
Yeah.
when you were starting this the first time, but
Yeah.
you did it.
Yeah.
And you did the back, and you did a lot.
So basically everything was cut out of this bus in order to store the most whatever in here and
They
trailer.
went to all the trouble to cut out the fuel
Yeah.
filler
I've
area.
never seen that before.
No, I hadn't either. Did
and
you have to fab that?
I had the piece, and then now this is next. If
On
I can,
here?
yeah,
Oh, yeah, huh? They cut the lips out, didn't they?
yeah. So I'm
Oh,
I'm not
boy.
sure if I want to tackle that or something else.
So these are bi-sply tires?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at how high they are, man. Jackson.
Wow.
Dude,
That's
the roof
amazing.
is really in good shape. It's dry.
If there was a category for roof patina, I think I'd
Yeah,
have a
you
serious
would
contender.
you would definitely be up there. So now what about the nose? What'd you have to do down here? I can
Well,
see.
okay, so I pulled it out, but you can tell where it didn't quite work as planned.
So you know what would work there, Matt Jackson? The old football.
I tried.
Did you
it.
try the football?
Yeah, it's hard to get it in between.
It is.
Where the
So what even
food
works
goes.
even better?
I ordered one of those bags from the
To help that people pop
Oh,
a lot
okay,
uses.
okay.
Pop a lot.
Yeah.
Dude, I had no idea you had it. It was roadworthy. That's
Surprise.
awesome.
This has been every day, all day for a long time. Center pin, thank you Matt Jackson for the reaming tool.
Did you have to do anything for a transmission or?
No,
So where did you get it?
Thankfully.
But it had no transmission.
it had a transmission in
It
it.
did.
So when I got it, the previous owner had changed it from the weird straight axle conversion and welded in the transmission and everything. I did put a mid mount in it
Yeah.
and put in the stock
Wolfgang International
cradle.
mid mount.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo!
We'll put a link below to
Those
that.
things are
And then
the
it's got
best.
front disc on it.
Those got discs?
The AC
Yeah.
Industries
Yeah.
disc kit.
Oh, that's the Matt Jackson special.
So-
Doug, I just want to say, this is so awesome.
I am so stoked.
I'd
Yeah,
actually
me
love
too.
to have somebody drive this that has a better idea of what this should feel like. I
Okay, sure.
I don't know what's considered normal.
Okay.
So hopefully
Well, the
it's
funny
normal.
thing is, bus to bus to bus, they're all different. Is this its maiden voyage?
Yeah.
Well, to any kind of real
Right,
event.
You've driven around.
Yeah, around
here.
town a little
Around
bit,
Kyle, but
but this is the longest trip.
this thing was a trailer.
All right, Gary, that's a wrap on first Wednesday. We had almost 20 cars.
Yay! What a great night. It cooled off a little bit, Matt Jackson.
Yeah.
And
Yes, it was a success. We want to thank you for watching, and as always, hit the like button and subscribe.
tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody about VW Life. We do this for you guys, the VW community. We're here for y'all, and y'all are here for us. So the old we scratch your back, you scratch ours.
Yeah, nice wrap.
Yeah.
All right, guys, see you later.
Bye, everybody.